Hey there guys, how's it going? And today what we're going to be talking about is the Reach Essentials Instant Whitening Pen. Yes, okay. What this is a pen that has a brush at the tip, and what it does is it whitens your teeth. It contains a gel that you paint on your teeth and it whitens them over time. Yeah. So what you do is, you see at the end I've already crinked out a little bit. I don't know if you can actually see that, but at the tip there is a gel at the tip that you put onto your teeth, and it looks like, let's see, you wipe that onto your teeth, your upper and your bottoms. And you do this repetitively for several weeks for your teeth to get whiter, you know? And it works. It does work. I mean, I tried it about 4 weeks ago. I just, stopped the regimen about 3 days ago. And my teeth are actually whiter. They are. It doesn't taste very well. I mean, it doesn't taste horrible when you put it on there, but it does the job. I mean, it's bearable. Your teeth feel like when you paint it on, because you literally have to paint it on each and every tooth, and you do your tops first, and then you do the bottoms, and you wait 30 minutes and let it dry, and what happens is you have to wipe off the excess gel that's on your gums and lips or whatever, if you put on a little too much or something, you have to wipe that off. Then that's it. You just let it dry, and you don't eat for maybe an hour or something. And you just keep doing that every day, once in the morning and once at night. And in about a couple weeks, you will see a difference in your smile as far as the whiteness of your teeth. It really, really does work. I didn't think it would, because this is not very expensive, and it makes the teeth very bright, very shiny. If you have yellow teeth, it really turns them several shades brighter. Now, I'm not going to say it's going to be like Snow White, but you will see it will be significantly lighter than it was. My teeth weren't bad. I mean, especially in the front, but sometimes, like if you drink coffee or anything like that, or eat a lot of things that might stain your teeth, you might get a little tint of yellowness or something like that you might want to get rid of. So little things like this, I mean, this would be good. This is good for me because I didn't need that much. I mean, as far as, oh God, I got to go to the dentist now and spend all this money to get a real whitening job. And it wasn't like that for me. This is just what I needed. It's just enough for a few shades brighter. And that's what it did. And it was fine, Like I said, you have to put up with the taste a little bit when you do it. I don't know. I mean, some people might like it. It's kind of a minty thing, but it's minty, medicine-y tasting. You get used to it. It's kind of worth the time, and actually, I don't want to say the torture of having it in your mouth, but it's just worth the uncomfortableness, I'll say, of doing it, because it's fairly quick. I mean, once you've done it like a couple of times, you get to doing it much faster. you get like a routine where you're like boom, 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 boom to each tooth, and you get that rhythm going, and you're in and out in a good 2 to 3 minutes, and you just got to let it dry and then wipe off the excess, and you're done. Like I said, once in the morning and once in the evening, and that's it. The only downside to this, to me, is the taste. That's it. Other than that, it does do the job, and it's very affordable. All right. Well, I hope you guys used all of this information. That is the Reach Essentials Instant Whitening Pen. All right. Well, okay, guys. Well, I will see you next time. Hopefully you use this. I will talk to you again. Okay. Bye-bye.